You've just finished a professional-grade track. You put in the hours, the mix is perfect, and you know this sound belongs in a Netflix series or a global ad campaign. But now comes the part every musician hates, the business side. Traditionally, finding the right music supervisor or creative director at a major agency is a nightmare. You spend 3 days on LinkedIn digging through profiles. An hour in, you've got 40 browser tabs open, a massive headache, and a chaotic spreadsheet full of names with 0 verified email addresses. You're a musician, not a data researcher, but somehow the industry expects you to become a full-time investigator just to get your music in front of the right people. That cycle ends today. I'm bringing you a new AI agent called Lessie AI. It's essentially a digital manager that finds the exact person with the budget and even helps draft the pitch for you. So let's walk through exactly how to use it. When you first land on the Lessie AI homepage, the first thing you'll notice is how clean the design is. It's built for speed, not for wasting time inside some clunky dashboard. I've dropped the link and my exclusive invite code to Lessie in the description below so you can access it right now. To get started, click the Start for Free, and you can sign up easily using your Google account or just a standard email address. It literally takes about 10 seconds. This first step matters because using that link doesn't just unlock access. It also loads bonus credits onto your account. That means you can run your first real professional search and find your first batch of industry decision makers completely free. Once you're inside, look at the main dashboard. Right in the center, there's a simple, minimalist search bar. And this is where Lessie separates itself from every old-school database you've probably used before. Normally, you have to deal with location filters, industry categories, and rigid job title keywords. Miss one filter, and you miss the lead. But with Lessie, you just go to the search bar and describe exactly who you're looking for in plain English. Under that search bar, you'll also see a few use case buttons like Find Clients, Find Influencers, Experts, and Partners. These are great for quick starts, but for this workflow, we're going straight into the search bar to run a custom search. So I'm clicking into the search bar now, and I'm typing a full description. I'm going to enter my complete requirement here. Find me music supervisors and senior creative directors at top-tier advertising agencies in New York and London who have worked on high-energy tech brand campaigns in the last 12 months. Focus on people who handle audio branding or soundtrack selection. When you're this descriptive, the AI isn't just scanning for keywords, it's interpreting professional intent. The moment I hit the Find button, watch the right-hand side of the screen. This is essentially the brain of the tool. It's not just a loading bar, it's a live strategy panel. And in the chat, you can actually see the AI thinking, searching, and filtering in real time. That transparency is incredibly useful because you understand exactly why it's selecting the people it's about to show you. Now look at the summary in the chat window on the left. Lessie claims it identified 30 professionals from the world's biggest agencies, but the table shows 32. This isn't just a random data dump. The AI has categorized them by role, from music supervisors to audio branding directors, and also grouped them by agency, location, and area of focus. It even suggests your next moves, like refining the list by city or jumping straight into unlocking their contact info. This level of transparency is a game changer because it proves the AI actually understands the difference between a generic creative role and the person who is specifically responsible for selecting music. Now take a look at the main table in the center. This is where Lessie really starts to stand out. Notice the column labeled Match. We have 32 entries here tagged as fully matched, and these are the people you're going to want to reach out to. This is where that 90.1% accuracy claim really comes to life. While the search was running, the review engine was actively vetting every profile against your original prompt. If you look at those fully matched entries and check the expertise column, you'll see tags like audio branding and music supervisor. And when you click on any name, it opens up a detailed profile that includes their work history, education, skills, and even an AI-generated summary, which is incredibly useful. If you want to verify this yourself, just click the LinkedIn icon next to their name. It takes you directly to their live professional profile in a new tab. This isn't a static, outdated database. This is a live connection to their professional world. You can see their recent posts and current projects, so you know they're active and relevant before you ever spend a credit unlocking their email. Now, finding the right person is only half the battle. The next step is reaching out and doing it without sounding like a bot. I'm going to select one of the entries and click on Search Email. This will consume a few credits. And just like that, we now have their email. Once the email is unlocked, move your mouse to the top of the screen and click the Compose Email tab. The interface shifts into a clean Outreach dashboard. First, connect your Gmail or Outlook account so the emails come directly from you. Here, we already have our unlocked contacts ready, but you can also select multiple, fully matched leads and send outreach at scale. At the bottom of the screen, look for the AI Compose box. I'm going to click into it and type. Write a 3-sentence professional intro. Mention that I'm an independent artist with a cinematic electronic sound that fits high-energy tech brand visuals, and ask if they have a preferred music submission portal for upcoming projects. Now watch what happens. The AI generates the email body in real time. It automatically personalizes the message with the recipient's name and agency details. What would normally take an hour to write is done in about 5 seconds, and it still sounds professional and relevant. If you're not ready to send emails just yet, you can click the Export button at the top to download everything as a clean Excel or CSV file for later. You can also hover over any name and select Find Similar. When you click that, it sends a new request to Lessie AI to find similar profiles. And just like that, you get 10 additional entries that closely match your selected contact. Now you've expanded your list to 40 high-quality candidates, all aligned with the same profile. Creative directors, music supervisors, and audio branding specialists at top agencies across New York and London. Now think about the ROI here. In about 10 minutes, we've done what would normally take a full month of high-level networking and research. We bypassed the gatekeeper wall and went straight to the decision makers, the people who actually have the power to place your music in front of millions. And as a musician, your time is your most valuable asset. Every hour spent hunting for an email address is an hour you're not in the studio creating your next track. That's what makes Lessie AI so powerful. It turns a frustrating manual process into a fast, repeatable workflow. So go ahead, try Lessie AI and see who you can find. Head over to Lessie.ai and remember to use code in the description below at the upgrading screen to claim your discount. Stop hunting for emails and start getting your music in front of the people who can actually sign the check. The industry is changing. Make sure you're using the right tools to stay ahead. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with Tech Snap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. I'll see you in the next video.